Searching for the right supplier to fulfill all your camshaft requirements? Enginetech has the products you need. We even carry our own brand of high-performance cams, Dr. Bumpstick, so we have the right camshafts for any job. From import and domestic stock replacement to RV grinds and special high-performance applications. Enginetech camshafts are manufactured at OE facilities using strict SPC data to ensure a quality product every time. Metallurgy analysis is performed throughout the manufacturing process, including Rockwell hardness testing. Our camshafts are profiled to ensure proper lift and duration. Incoming products are further inspected by our engineering department to maintain our high quality standard. Don't forget, cam break-in is a critical part of new camshaft installation. Enginetech offers cam break-in oil additive and cam paste to complete the job. To learn more about Enginetech camshafts, contact one of our sales experts today.